Hello there. Are you looking to sell your house, but your house is damaged or has way too many repairs, or the roof is leaking and you don't know how to sell it? You don't know where to get started. Well, listen up. Today is your lucky day. My name is Henry Artiga. I am a realtor with eXp Realty. My license number is S as in Sam 0173900. And today I bring the solutions for whatever's stressing you. Okay. Let me tell you, we are looking for properties off the MLS. We don't want properties that have been listed. We're looking for properties that are damaged. The roof is leaking. You have a lot of trash everywhere. Your kitchen is destroyed or too old. The carpet is completely destroyed. You have holes in your walls. I mean, whatever it is, we're looking for those houses, and you're gonna get a cash offer. You can close in 5 days, or whenever you feel like it. We're pretty open to that. You're gonna save money on commissions. There is no buyer's agent's commission. You don't have to put a sign in your front yard. You don't even have to show your house. All right. So if this is something that is of your interest, please contact me. 702-285-8168. That's 702-285-8168. I am in Las Vegas, Nevada, but don't worry, I can help you wherever you are. Okay. In any state. We are in all 50 states of the country, of the United States, and we can help you with that house. We can help you with whatever is stressing you. All right. You can also text the word get cash all together, GETCASH, get cash all together to 702-747-8953. And you're going to get a text where all you have to do is very simple. Just enter your name, your full name, and your full address, and we'll contact you and we'll get you your house qualified for a cash offer. All right. We have cash buyers in all the states, and we need those houses. And you don't have to worry about making any repairs, or you don't even have to worry about picking up everything. Just take whatever you want and we'll take care of the rest. All right. So reach out to me, Henry Artiga, your realtor cousin out of Las Vegas, Nevada. License number S0173900. With this eXp Realty, we're here to help you. I am your realtor with the options and the solutions. All right. So I hope you reach out to me. Take care. Have a great rest of your day. All right. Take care for now. Bye-bye.